Would you be open to taking another question?
Sure, of course, please, yes.
All right, so let's pass it over to, let's see here. Gabriella, you have the mic.
Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you, Gabriella. Nice to meet you.
Hi, John. Lovely to meet you. I'm from County Durham, by the way, but I'm currently in Japan. And I'm a vocalist here at meditation. I'm active in kind of meditation and dipping into all kinds of sound healing. So this has been absolutely riveting. So thank you ever so much. My question is, so you've mentioned before the correlation between highly spiritual practitioners, manifesting the sevenfold peripheral of these beautiful images that you're showing to us. Could you speak more on this? Specifically, what kind of practices are you aware that they're following? And I'm also very, very interested in making my own kind of videos from home with vocals and other kind of sound healing instruments going forward. So could you speak a little bit more on this?
Thank you, Gabriella. The answer is I really don't know. I mean, there's no way yet to understand that phenomenon that I have been able to figure. It certainly has held true. We've had very spiritually oriented people come to our lab, and every time that we image, someone who is very spiritually oriented, it comes out as sevenfold. It's like magic, but of course it's not magic. It is a form. It is science, but we just don't yet understand. We've got no way of accessing the mechanism. But why is it sevenfold? We just don't yet. We don't yet know. But it's extremely interesting, isn't it? And what was your other question, Gabriella? Sorry.
I'm very interested. Yeah, it's okay. I'm very interested in making, my own music videos going forward for vocals, even just very basic ones using your kind of CymaScope imagery.
Okay, well, one of the services that we offer, because our research is all self-funded, therefore we offer services to customers that helps us in our research in terms of funding. So one of the ways that we do that is you can send us a music file, for example, your own vocals, or a composite of your vocals and music, and then we can literally make that visible, and that's a service that soundmadevisible.com offer, and then you can then use that video if it's properly licensed to you, which we can arrange that easily. Then you can use that in your to create music videos.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, John. Thank you.
Pleasure, Gabriella.